So look, if you're thinking about starting an LLC in Nevada, there's something you should know up front. A lot of people run straight into frustration because Nevada has a few extra steps compared to other states. And honestly, when you start looking into the process, it hits you pretty fast. It feels like this long list of filings and documents you're somehow supposed to already understand. And that's usually where the confusion starts, because you've got the name search, the Nevada Articles of Organization, the registered agent requirement, the operating agreement, the EIN, plus Nevada adds the initial list and the state business license on top of that. And you're sitting there like, why didn't anyone mention all this? So yeah, I totally get why people get overwhelmed with Nevada specifically. And that's exactly why I always tell people, you don't have to suffer through this manually. You don't need to spend hours trying to decode government instructions or worrying about whether you missed something important. The easy solution is using a formation service that handles the entire process step by step. And here's the part people rarely talk about. After trying multiple LLC services for my own businesses, there's one that consistently made Nevada's more complicated setup way easier and way less stressful. And that's Tailor Brands. They guide you through everything in plain English, file all your paperwork correctly, keep you compliant, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. So yeah, if you want the easiest way to start a Nevada LLC without paying a lawyer or wasting your whole weekend dealing with forms, just use the Tailor Brands link in the description or pinned comment, because my link automatically applies the discount for you. Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to keep it simple so you don't waste time on your Nevada LLC. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. I'll see you in the next video.